Here are the steps and resources that I've provided for you to help you on your journey as you make these posters. The first thing is I recommend go ahead and watch this short video about Emory Douglas. He was one of the artists that did a lot of the poster work for the Black Panthers, and it really shows how this helped to advocate for change during the civil rights movement. Really powerful, powerful stuff. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up a Google Doc and just start to take notes on some of the things that you find as you go through this. First thing is you want to pick a cause. If you're kind of struggling to decide what you want to look for, I'd recommend check out this we.org issue cards. This has 17 different major issues that affect the world and individuals, and also talks about different ways to take action and some questions that you could ask yourself to help you figure out if this is something that really does matter to you. Another thing you can check out is the Human Rights Declaration from the United Nations. And this is a little picture book that they have of the main articles that everyone has a right to life, liberty, and the security of being a person. No one should be held in slavery. So there's a lot of human rights things that are there that you may be interested in checking out. You can also check out Shepard Fairey. He's a designer that I really like that does a lot of interesting murals, graffiti, and advocates for a lot of different causes. So he's done a lot of work there. You can check out that. Or if you already know about organizations already that you know about and issues that you have or that you're passionate about, look those up. Absolutely. This is all about something that you're passionate about, something you want to advocate for. After you've done that, you're going to research and determine what content, purpose, and audience is for each of your posters. So you can either go directly to the organization's website and look at what their main missions are and what they have to say. You could also check out we.org. This has a great exploration of issues as well as resources. So if you decide I'm interested in advocating for homelessness, it gives you some facts about homelessness, but then it also here has different hubs to learn more about it. These are all different organizations that work specifically on that. You can do the same thing with hunger and a whole bunch of others. So there's a really great resource for you to work with. You can also check out this website on effective altruism. This is about how to donate in the most effective way possible based on their methodology. So there's a whole series of groups that are advocating and doing things for specific organizations. So you can check out stuff there. And then after you've done that, after you've taken some notes on what the key points are that you would want to get across and which issue you're most passionate about, you're going to make a Pinterest board. You're going to title it Advocacy. And you're going to go to this website and you're going to find 8 to 10 posters in this particular website that you find to be engaging and interesting. You're going to want to make sure that when you click on it so that you can actually read the short, it's taking me a second. There we go. Short little explanation about the designer or about what the process was. So it's a really short little thing. So you can go through and you can pin 8 to 10 of these, but just read through it. It'll give you some good information as to why they did that particular design. After you've done that, you're going to go through and you're going to search for at least 5 to 10 more posters on Google, Pinterest, anywhere that are specifically related to the cause, but were not ones that were on the advocacy poster site. I'd recommend you could try words like advocacy poster, PSA, which is public service announcement, or raise awareness, or fight against, and the cause that you're looking for. So if you like raise awareness for gender equality, that would give posters. That would give you quite a few things to look for. So advocacy posters with some other keywords. And then you'll record your screencast, show off your notes, and explain why you're choosing this particular cause, why it's important to you, and anything else that you want me to know about what you're going to do for your messaging and content. Make sure when you are done with that you read in detail all of this information here. This is my specific information about the posters themselves. And then I've included a few other resources here, like what is We? I keep referencing it. If you're not sure who they are, check out this video. It's really interesting. Here's a activist who does a lot of work with posters and stuff and Adobe. And here's some poster design tips as well as some tutorials you can use. That is what you're going to be working on for this project.